Welcome. Today's topic: fuel your success. This is going to be incredible. Failure fuels success? Failure fuels success? This premise underlies the systematic motivation framework, a methodology that transforms failure into a catalyst for achievement. By embracing this framework, you're not merely changing your mindset, you're adopting a proven system. As you're about to discover, traditional motivation advice solves the wrong problem, leaving you with a flawed foundation. The question is, are you ready to challenge everything you thought you knew about motivation and join those who have already found a better way? Building on the understanding that failure can fuel success, we must confront the flawed foundation upon which most motivation techniques are built. You've likely tried various methods, from setting goals to creating vision boards, only to find that the issue isn't your willpower or dedication, but the very foundation itself. Research across 1,400 startups revealed that companies wasting time on inefficient motivation strategies saw a significant decrease in productivity. This isn't just a matter of inefficiency, it's a direct cost that affects your bottom line, with each month of delay potentially costing you thousands in lost opportunities. Given the flaws in traditional motivation techniques, it's clear that a new approach is needed. The systematic motivation framework, built around the stages of awareness, assessment, and strategy, offers a meticulously designed system to ensure consistent progress. This framework rejects shortcuts and emphasizes consistency over intensity, providing a clear path forward. By trusting the system, you're not following a method, you're embracing a lifestyle of systematic achievement. A case study of companies adopting this framework showed a 25% increase in productivity within the first 6 months, a direct result of addressing the core issues with motivation. The systematic motivation framework isn't about finding motivation, it's about building a system for success. This isn't a mindset change, it's a paradigm shift in how you approach achievement. Companies using this framework report significant increases in productivity and success rates, not because they've found more motivation, but because they've systematicalized their approach to success. The cost of not adopting this framework isn't just financial, it's the opportunity cost of what you could be achieving. Every month you delay, potential competitors are moving forward, gaining ground in your niche. Adopting the systematic motivation framework mindset shifts your perspective. You're no longer at the mercy of motivation, you're in control of your success. This isn't a temporary fix, it's a lasting paradigm shift. With this framework, you're systematically achieving your goals, not just hoping for motivation to strike. The cost of not using this framework is the cost of potential unrealized success. Every month, 2,000 new competitors enter your niche, making it increasingly difficult to stand out if you're not systematically working towards your goals. The systematic motivation framework isn't a theory. It's a practical, step-by-step guide to systematic success. By applying its principles, you're not just reading about motivation, you're living it. The framework is designed to be adaptable, fitting your unique goals and circumstances. Whether you're an entrepreneur, artist, or simply looking to improve your life, the framework provides a clear path forward. The window for action is closing, with others moving faster and the competitive landscape evolving daily. Hesitation has a price tag, and the math only gets worse from here. The journey to systematic motivation and success isn't always easy, but it's worth it. With the systematic motivation framework, you're moving from a place of uncertainty to one of clarity and control. This framework is more than a method, it's a movement towards systematic achievement. And you're invited to be part of it. The only question is, will you take the first step today and commit to your success? This is not just a call to action, it's a call to redefine your approach to motivation and success. What's the one thing you're going to do differently today to start your journey to systematic motivation and success? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's create a community that supports and motivates each other to achieve systematic success. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content on how to improve your approach to motivation and success. This is your first step into a community that values results over comfort and systematic achievement over temporary motivation. Get started with the Systematic Motivation Framework.